Hi vlog, we're at the beach. You might be wondering, why are the British people celebrating the 4th of July? We like America better. So the plan for today is beach. I'm meeting up with some of my cruise friends from this time last year actually. Then after that, I'm going to a 4th of July party. I don't think it's ever been so hot. Now all the roads are closed. So we're trying to meet a friend in like 5 minutes and now we're going to have to take the really, really long way. What's up vlog? We're at the ice cream shop. Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
My name's Kent.
This is little Kent. He's not so little anymore.
No, it's Raiden. And I passed my Legoland driver's license.
What? Hi. Wow. Love the energy.
Bye.
We will miss you guys. Okay, now I'll give you a hug. Goodbye! Look at the front. Bro, they have the basketball run. Hello, vlog. Here's the little fit. I'm about to drop Talia off. Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
I'm going in the pool, then having a shower.
Use Red Bull to sponsor me because I love your energy drink. Just saying. Hi vlog, we're at Alex's house. We're setting up for, okay. You guys just take it over then.
America! 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 America!
Hey vlog, welcome to the 4th of July party because my pronouns are USA!
Watermelon to keep you going.
We're on pickup duty. Vlog.
Bye.
Say hi to the vlog. Oh, what's up?
Oh my god! Wow!
America!
God bless
America!
Hey! Welcome to Izzy and Malika's Shirley Temple taste test. Don't do that much. You don't like it. Okay. Cheers. Space over there. Oh, what are we trying? Oh my gosh, this is Shirley Temple. Yes, but it doesn't. It kind of tastes like cotton candy. Is that only me? You think that?
Like cotton candy?
Yeah, like vanilla-y cotton candy. It's not what I expected.
It's a lot sweeter
Okay, so
than like a normal one.
What would you rate it out of 10?
like a 7, 8.
Like a 5.
But I am very particular about my Shirley Temple.
Same.
Look at the blueberries in my
About
Shirley
you.
Temple.
Awesome. Awesome sauce.
Awesome freaking sauce.
Good. So gonna have
But now, Alec, if you see this, we do really appreciate you and we love your Shirley
wow.
Temples.
What the heck? I literally love you. And you're amazing.
Look at the
y'all
dog.
for doing this.
Yeah, actually,
We're
yeah, like
insane.
props to you. Like,
Just realized that there was a watermelon with a freaking popsicle in it.
bye vlog.
Love ya.
Love ya. I love ya.
But guys, this is literally fire.
Look at this food. Look at this food.
Look, that's what they're gonna go.
Literally American, bro.
I want to actually like eat this up. Like,
Bro, he's mewing. He's mewing. Look at that. I did it for him.
Such a pretty sunset, guys.
do it.
Ah! Wait, Loki, like me too. Let me just.
Bro, what's going on?
Ready?
What the sigma's going on? Oh my gosh. Look, we got things.
Look,
We got a torch. Let's go. We got
friend in the flesh over there.
Taking pictures with Alex. Look at him. Look at her. Look at her in the flesh. Oh my gosh.
Two guys talking to her because we all know that is locked in for
Watching out for
I can't put that in the vlog, guys.
Where's the watermelon?
so loud.
Hey, what's up, vlog? Welcome back to another video. Today is 4th of July, and today we're gonna be lighting fireworks. We're here with Malika. We're here with Nola. We're here with Alec, the host. We're here with Alec. We're here with Alyssa, and we're gonna light fireworks.
Yep, that's right.
Don't
Yep.
blow yourself up.
Yep.
Put it in reverse, Taylor.
Put it in reverse, Taylor.
Put it in reverse, Taylor. Put it in reverse, Taylor. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.
It's the 4th of July.
Wait.
Let's go, vlog.
Let's go, Malika. We're going mobile.
Say hi to the vlog. Hey. Say hi to the vlog.
Where's the
Look in the pool.
We're going
We outside.
We're going to the fireworks.
Do I go get my...
Ow! What's up, YouTube?
What's up, vlog? Yeah! Gonna dance again, easy to pretend. Got no rhythm. Wait, I think tonight the music seems so loud. Bye.
She's coming for the heart, in the back, and the body gets hurt. Not waiting for the love. I'm making it work. Not taking up the
Hair is crazy. Thanks for watching the vlog. We will see you next time. This is her vlog. What a night vlog. I got the mullet flowing.
I don't like mullets on people. What?
Vlog. We just vlogged. Goodbye vlog. Vlog dog. Star vlog. Vlog dog. See you next 4th of July. Vlog star vlog dog. Yo vlog. Dog vlog star vlog.
Oh, stop it. Goodbye, vlog.
I say we keep the first one.
Yeah.
Step in the ring for the fight of my life, hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was